Hi and welcome back to the channel. We're starting to do a Wednesday video, so don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification button. Today we're going to do something a bit fun, which is a stylized computer screen or computer. So first of all, we're going to start with a cube. We're just going to leave it at the default size. So now we're going to shape it. So first of all, we're going to edit. We're going to take this front face inset. So this is going to be our monitor. Now we need to extrude on the X. And we're going to put a couple of loop cuts in. So we're going to have one here, and we're just going to bring it up to the top. And we're going to hit number 3, select that back face and scale that down. And we're just going to move that down a bit, like so. So what we're going to do now is going to chuck a bevel on the edges. So all these edges on the corners we can see, we're going to chuck a bevel on, okay? So just select them and then control. In fact, we need to do it on these edges as well. Okay, so let's do Control B and bevel that up. Go into your bevel toolbar and crank up the segments until you're happy with it. Okay, we're just going to give it a little bit of colour for now. We're going to give it like a light pink, like that. The screen. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to hit number 3 for the face. We're going to inset and then just pull it out. And then what we're going to do is Control B. And we're going to crank up those again. Okay. Just go into your normals. Ba-da-ba. So that's our monitor done. Let's create a daft little keyboard. Let's just move that up a bit. So let's create a new cube. Let's scale that down. You can scale it down to whatever size you want. But I'm just going to scale Shift Z. And then we're going to have it the width of the monitor there. Okay, next thing we're going to add our buttons. So we're just going to create a few more cubes, scale. We're just going to have like one big button here. So it's like the enter button, like so. And we'll just scale that down like that. Okay, and then we're just going to have a few sets of keys along here. So we're just going to shift duplicate on the Y because we're going to move it across. We're just going to scale that down, but not on the Z. That size looks okay, and we can just do an array like so. So we need an what happened there? So we just need an array on the Y. So let's 0 that on the Y 1.2. Why have they gone a funny shape? What do I keep doing? Let's just do another one. That'll do. Let's move them down. And what we can do now is do a control. I'll go to edit, Control B, just bevel the edges up like so. It's almost like a kid's computer. I'm just going to Shift D on the X, Shift D on the X, just bring that down slightly. This one we're going to Shift D on the X. This is going to be the space bar. That's just going to go all the way along the bottom there because we can. That's what we can do. It's not real, so Again, alright, we're going to have to do a Control A and then reset the scale, edit, Control B to bevel, do the same, Control A to reset scale, edit, Control B to scale. Let's shade smooth. Shade smooth. Okay. So we shade smooth. We're just gonna have like, we're just gonna go into our color thing here. Right, so the monitor, we need to edit the screen there. I'm just gonna press C and just do the selection, circle selection tool. Create a new material. We're just gonna have it like a candy blue, because that's a very stereotypical kind of color, and then assign it. Okay, and then we need to Control A, scale, Control B. This is going to be, say, purple. Spacebar is going to be, what candy color should we do? Like a light orange. This one's going to be a big red button, like that. Top layer, we will do a nice dark pink. Second layer we'll do green, nice light mint green, and that layer we'll do yellow, like so. And there's our computer. I'll tell you what we'll do on the TV here. What we'll do is we'll just line it up there, go into edit mode. We need the X-ray and the X-ray and wire shading. X-ray and wire shading on. We're going to Control A to deselect, do a B, and then we want to select all those vertices, and then what we're going to do is we're going to scale that out, because let's face it, it's not stylized unless it's odd shaped. Obviously you can carry on and edit however you like. Next thing we're going to do is add a plane. We'll scale that up, and we will, I'm going to add in a light HDR. Let's see, environment texture. So this is just a studio. We're going to crank that down to say 0.25, I want to say. The floor, we're going to say it's going to be yellow. We're going to change our render engine to cycles, because that's a better, change that to GPU. And there is our, I'll tell you what we'll do, edit, number 2, select that edge and extrude on the Z. And then we'll take that edge, Control B, and give it a bevel, and then we'll just swivel it around a bit, like so. And I just feel I need a bit more light. I don't know why. 1.5. And there we go. There we have our comical computer. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a bit quick. If you did enjoy it, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!